Cooke-Hodgson. Well, today we've got a new song to learn. It's to play on your ukulele if you've got one and sing along. The lyrics are in the box just below. Now this song is special for me because it's written by a comedian that I really love called Matt Lucas, and he wrote this song quite a while ago and it was on television when I was a teenager, but he's re-released it for while we're in lockdown so that we can raise money to feed NHS workers. So you'll find the link to raise money for the NHS workers in the box below as well. Now it's quite a simple song to sing and it's got a few chords: C, G, A and D. If you're not sure how to play those chords, then there's a link below that'll show you how to play them.